I think that the results of exposure to radiation will surprise you, actually. It was just a normal day, really. I mean, the microwave was always a bit leaky, so it was probably bound to happen sooner or later. It was still pretty shocking, though. Yeah, pretty scary. I think the radiation fused my DNA with the oxtail soup DNA. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. But, you know, the pros outweigh the cons. I did think about using my powers to fight crime, but, you know, like becoming a superhero, because essentially I do have a superpower, but you can only carry so many tins of soup on you at one time, so it kind of eventually, nah, it's not for me. I'll leave that to the professionals, I think. Oh, Christ.